So is this spot any good, man?
Should be.
Hope so.
Should be money, man.
All right, well,
should be money.
Let's go give it a try.
West Virginia tactics ain't gonna work here, though.
No, they always work. So we just left Bait and Tackle. Been itching to get a few bass. Apparently Andrew's got some secret little spot just down the road, so we're gonna go check it out.
There's been a lot of talk about a few good bass coming out just recently. There's been a 7.5 pounder, and then about a month ago, my buddies caught an 8 and a 13 when the water was real down. Now the water's a little bit up, so I'm hoping we'll get a good grass edge bite, but we'll just have to see. Look at this.
We got somebody out here fishing, man.
Just look at it.
Who's in our spot, bro?
I don't know, but just look at it.
Yeah, it looks good. Man, there are just bass busting bait everywhere. It's driving me crazy. I'm throwing the Vexen Ninja Frog right now, trying to get a couple topwater strikes, because they're just, I mean, they got bait all up on the surface everywhere. So like, I think where those guys caught the one bass, that 8 pounder that I remember, came like right over in here off that beach launch. But I'm not sure, really. Oh yeah, you're getting phone calls. Man, first one in is not the size I wanted. First Florida bass since I moved down here. So we just got to do a quick little portage from that lake there. Gotta walk across this to that lake there. Hopefully that's where the big ones live. Hey Andrew. Tell me about that camera mount you got going on there.
It's a custom Yak Tech special.
What's going on with that? Is that a new product?
Yeah, new product showcase for next year.
No. Looks a little.
It's legit, dude.
A little over the top.
It gets what done needs to be done.
Yeah. I got you. Jeez. Might need to start throwing some bigger baits because this is a little ridiculous.
Yeah, monsters everywhere. Well, they're getting a little bit better. Not the size we're looking for, but it's a little bit of hope.
Got a good one on, and it's got me wrapped. No, it's not that good. Not that good, it's better. There. Got me wrapped. Man. Oh, there she is. A little better. Got me wrapped around that pad. Thought she was bigger than she was, but it's a quality fish though. I mean, it's not big by any means, but a keeper anyway. Thought she might have been big there for a second. She got me around those pads really quick. But yeah, at least we're moving in the right direction. It's not a terrible fish.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, this is a better one. Dude. There we go. Not a 7, but a solid 3. You can see it's got some gnarly marks like it's been bit before by something bigger. It's a beautiful fish. Got it jigging through these pads with a biffle bug wherever it went. Not a bad fish.
Man, I don't know, it's kind of a tough bite, but it wasn't too bad. I mean, we caught some fish. You got a good one.
Yeah.
How big you think yours was? Like 3.5?
Around there, yeah. It wasn't a monster, but it was still a nice fish.
We need to start packing a lunch because I'm dying.
Withering away enough.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Didn't have enough water. We did this all wrong, but it was a good morning though.
Good, valuable lesson.
Yeah.
Pack plenty of water.
Definitely bringing the cooler next time.
Yeah.
But yeah, aside from being thirsty and hungry and crashing the drone, it was a pretty good day. Yeah.
Oh man, Joe got a little too close to the grass.
Yeah,
A little too close to the water.
First time crashing her, but she landed in soft grass, so
She'll live to see another
she'll be
day.
all right. Yeah. I was worried she was gonna roll into the water.
No, she wasn't rolling out of that. I'm ready to get home, plan for another day.
Yeah, let's get some food. I'm catching a 10-pounder down here eventually.
They're in there, man.
Yeah.
I know they're in there.
And come back and get on that night bite.
Yeah.